Pass the membrane through the triangular position. Open the longitudinal sealing valve. Enter the manual page. Open the envelope servo for individual operation. Click Start. Observe the position of the film and adjust the knob to change the position of the film. After adjusting the position of the membrane, if you want more sealing positions, you can adjust the position of the pull roller. After adjustment, click the yellow stop button. Click Mechanical Origin Reset. And open the color code after resetting is complete. Click to start testing.